Well, I met Bassanio through the San Diego Tech Hub and learned what he was doing with the coursework that the assistant developer was doing up at LACI. And the great success they're having with students up there and giving them skills and helping them with their career development, getting them placed into great jobs. And right away I knew that really fit in with the same goals that we share through San Diego Tech Hub, what OSML is trying to do, and the assistant development. We all had a common goal. So right away it seemed like a logical fit for us to try to work together. We had the physical space and the means for people to gain all kinds of skills here, and assistant development had the same goal. It was reaching out and networking between students and employers and helping fill that gap. So it seemed like a logical connection for us to partner and expand what was done up in Los Angeles to do it in San Diego County as well. What we're hoping to do with this program is to partner with local industry to bring in the real-world problems as design challenges that we run in partnership with assisted development to give the students actual real-world problems to solve. And the benefit of the companies is that they get to see firsthand the potential talent, how they like to perform in a working environment. The students benefit because they get real-world challenges and problems to solve that apply what they've been learning